1.
Have you ever been to a fashion show?
Never. Have you?
Yeah, I went to one last year.
Yeah? How was it?
I went to sleep and woke up at the end.
2.
What did you buy?
Well, I tried on a shirt, but it was too big. I bought a skirt and a sweater.
Did you get any shoes?
No, I didn't see any I liked.
3.
Don't walk on the kitchen floor.
Why?
I've just washed it.
Again?
It was dirty again.
It's dry now.
No, it isn't. It's still wet.
4.
I don't go out much during the week now,
Why not?
because I finish work later.
How many hours do you work?
When I started this job 2 years ago, I worked 8 hours a day from 9 to 5. Now I work 2 hours more every day for the same money.
That's the same everywhere.
5.
What's the most beautiful city you've been to?
Well, Amsterdam is lovely. Oh, and Prague is beautiful.
What about Venice?
Well, of course, Venice is wonderful. But I think Prague is probably my favourite.